What if you could visibly fade those stubborn dark spots in just 20 minutes, using 2 simple items from your kitchen? Age spots are those little patches of pigmentation that show up on your hands and face over time. They are often the result of sun exposure or life's natural changes, and typical store-bought creams can feel pretty ineffective. But an ancient, natural approach might just hold the secret you have been looking for. Why this powerful duo works. Let us talk about why these 2 ingredients work so well together. First, the humble potato. It is not just for eating. It contains a special enzyme, Catecholase, which helps to balance out melanin and can actually lighten dark areas on your skin. It is also packed with vitamin C, a known brightener for your overall skin tone. Think of it as a mild, natural peel that calms your skin instead of upsetting it. Then, we have ginger. This spicy root awakens your skin's natural vitality. Its powerful antioxidants and active compounds boost blood flow right at the surface, which speeds up your skin's own renewal process. It also fights inflammation, helping those discolored patches fade away faster. Combined, these 2 create a powerful, all-natural team for your skin's health. Preparing your natural paste. Now, let us get to the incredibly simple method. Start by taking 1 raw, fresh potato and grating it finely to collect the pulp and its potent juice. Next, grab a piece of fresh ginger about the size of your thumb. Peel it, and then grate it just as finely. Combine both in a small bowl until you have a fragrant, spreadable mixture. Application and technique. Here comes the transformative part. Apply this paste generously onto the areas where you see those spots. Using soft, circular motions, gently massage it into your skin for a minute. This helps the absorption and really gets the active ingredients working. Now, let it sit and do its thing for a full 20 minutes. Nature's power works while you simply relax. You will feel a slight, refreshing tingle as the formula gets to work deep within your skin's layers, encouraging new cells and lightening spots, all without a single harsh chemical. The results and final thoughts. When the time is up, just rinse everything off with some cool water. You should notice your skin feels incredibly refreshed, smooth, and invigorated. While one session makes a difference, the real, visible change happens with consistent use. It is a gentle, natural journey to clearer skin. If you found this natural life hack helpful, please show your support by giving this video a like and following Natural Life Hacks for more simple solutions.